Birds. Let us learn names of birds in Kannada. In Kannada we call them Pakshigalu. Maina, Goravanka. Eagle, Garuda Pakshi. Nightingale, Bulbul Pakshi. Woodpecker, Marakutuga. Cock, Hunji. Peacock, Navilu. Partridge, Gejiga. Hornbill, Halavakki. Swan, Hamsa. Sparrow, Gubbachi. Pigeon, Parivala. Crow, Kage. Parrot, Gili. Kingfisher, Jalagara. Quail, Lavakki. Dove, Kapota. Hummingbird, Hummingbird. Hen, Hente. Owl, Gube. Crane, Bellakki. Ostrich, Ushtrapakshi. Duck, Batukoli. Kite, Haddu. Cuckoo, Kogile. Stork, Vulture, Ranahaddu.